What's up, YouTube? I'm back with another video. Today we're at Lake McClure. We're gonna try to catch some bass today. Hopefully we get some good luck. We went to Turlock first and didn't have much luck. I had one on, spit the hook, it jumped out. But so we're coming to McClure, see how we can do. It was too windy at the other one. So hopefully we do good. So see you on the water. Up again. Net? Nah. What are you catching on?
That wasn't a good idea. Right there, boys. Nice spot. Second fish of the day.
What? Now I gotta catch one.
Adam hooked up with number 2.
Okay, they both caught 2 fish, and I am.
Hey, nobody wants
So?
to.
Oh yeah. Adam's got him a little bass. He's gonna show us. Can we get over there? Nice. Hold him up. Said hold him up.
Nice one. That's a large.
Nice. Oh yeah, it is a largie. You gonna get the underwater release? Alright guys, my first fish of the day. It finally happened. I had a couple on just a second ago. And I lost them both. I'm trying to conserve on battery because I only have 2 left. But, finally, Wacky Rig Cinco. Nice. Man, that's cool. Okay. Land it. Got
Got
it.
him. Fish on.
Come on, buddy.
Don't let him jump. Don't let him
Get
jump.
on in here.
It's a whopper, John.
Ooh, can you net him, Dad?
Give me the net. Give me the net.
There we go.
Reel him all
Oh,
the way up
man.
to the tip.
I know. Why did I do that?
Did you get excited?
I didn't even know that it was up to the tip, though. Alright. Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
Can you bring the scale?
He's not that big, John.
Yeah, thank.
Don't worry about it. He's only about a pounder.
Oh, yeah, no. He's not the
They
big.
hardly have an 80 fish day. That's what we got. What do you mean? Oh, like boat system? Little boat, little kayak. Very drifty. Yeah, it's a tough one. How do you stop?
I hope he's a 2.
I don't think he's a 2, John. 175.
He's more than 196.
152.
1 pound, 4 ounces. 145. He's a 145.
Let me weigh
There you go.
him.
Let's see. You go bag. Oh yeah, not bad.
I gotta get the boat.
Little spot. Alright. I think I might be getting hit, maybe. Got him.
Hey, me too.
Hey, we doubled up. Come on, get in there. Get in there, buddy. Settle down. Ooh. Ooh, perfect, right in the top of the mouth. Ooh, you got a big old slot. Alright. Thank you. Come on, camera. I'm waiting. Yeah. Nice, he's slaying them. Slaying the smallfish. And I'm tangled up while Dad's over here nailing them. Okay. How's the eye? See the eye. Oh. Nice. Nice fish. Okay, I just caught this little bass on a little curltail swim bait. Right there. Pretty little guy. It's a little spotted bass. I'm gonna go ahead and turn him loose here. So, yeah. Here we go. Alright. Okay, YouTube. We're gonna end the video here. All around a good day of fishing. I caught probably a total of about 5, probably. And yes, I know I am very sunburnt. But overall a good day of fishing. Our motor died, so we had to come back up early. We had to carry it up a hill and everything, and it was a big mess, but oh well, it was still a really fun day. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, comment on this video, and I will see you next time.